Hey Jeff, my name is Larry Powell. You were talking to my wife Lexi yesterday. She said you were interested in a website. I know you are looking to pick up 2 to 6 more clients a month, and I also heard you have a baby due in January, so congratulations. So I was going to go over this today, kind of detail what benefits you guys could really get from a website, kind of go over your target markets, and go over some other stuff as well. But looking at your guys' website and the services you guys are offering, I kind of used these services searching within the different cities to see, where the search volumes are at and what's going to get you guys the most bang for your buck. One of the tools I use is called Mangools. And this tool is really cool because it allows me to see search volumes down to exact cities. So everybody in Estacada, Oregon who's searching for these different, key terms. A lot of key terms here with, average search volumes of about 10 per month, but there's a lot of them. So what this is good for is, while this might not be the main market we want to target, because I'd really like to capture you more business than what we can get from just these, what it does tell me is, looking at Home Remodel Estacada, Oregon, that if we were to get you into this map pack, which is called GMB, which is pretty low-hanging competition, low-hanging fruit here. These two don't even have websites, but getting you into this maps pack is going to be very valuable for your business. And it would be super easy to get you into this as well. It's just the process of building out your GMB, and you guys can really see a lot of business coming from that. Looking at, again, like I said, I wanted to find some higher volume. So we dove into kitchen remodeling, Portland, Oregon. And the reason for that is because currently there's 250 searches a month happening for kitchen remodeling in Portland, Oregon. So looking at, kitchen remodeling, competition-wise, how Google looks at these websites is, there's a lot of different ranking factors for a website. So you have your content on your website, your backlinks, the quality of your content, the age of your website. All these different things play a factor in how you get your website ranked. So looking at the first one I was going to show you today is Neil Kelly. Looking at Neil Kelly, their website, this is just for their kitchen remodel, which is what your competition is going to be. So you're not competing against the entire site. You're competing against the site that's listed for that search term. Not a lot of content. Obviously they have some pretty pictures, but the pictures isn't what's going to get a website ranked. So that doesn't really scare me at all. I had mentioned backlinks. Backlinks is any mentioning of your site linked to another site on the web. So they don't have any backlinks currently for their website, no referring domains, so very easy to pass that up, very easy competition here. Looking at something a little higher up, we have Mosaic Design and Remodeling, which is right here, and they're also the top ranked site. Looking at what they have going on, they have, give me one sec here, backlinks, they only have one, referring domains is one. So again, very easy competition there, it'd be easy to pass them up. There's a lot of potential here for your business to gain a lot of these, these clients and these searches. Looking at the keywords this site is ranking for, there we go. Kitchen remodeling, Portland, it's got 100 searches a month. Kitchen remodel designers. I mean, there's a lot of opportunity here for your business. And it doesn't really take much. I don't know if my wife showed you this or not, but a simple site just like this is one we actually just finished up building in the last couple days. This is all you really need. You're needing quality content, authoritative content that establishes yourself as, one of the experts in your field, having it properly optimized, getting your backlinks in there to where you're going to get this site ranked. This is very doable for you guys, and I'm confident that could get you that extra 2 to 6 clients a month. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I can either send another screencast answering those questions, or we can hop on a phone call. But yeah, I hope this helps and you're able to gain some value from this. Thanks.